Did you know that potatoes can brighten your skin and reduce wrinkles? This humble vegetable might just be your new secret weapon for youthful skin. Potatoes are gaining popularity as a natural skincare solution, and for good reason. With their rich content of vitamins and antioxidants, they offer a fantastic alternative to expensive treatments like Botox. Many people are turning to potatoes to achieve a radiant complexion and combat signs of aging. Today, we'll explore how this simple ingredient can transform your skincare routine and help you achieve youthful, glowing skin. Let's hear some personal stories. Many individuals have shared their success with potato skincare routines. One viewer mentioned how they struggled with dark spots and decided to try potato juice. After just a few weeks, they noticed a significant improvement in their skin tone. Another person shared that using a potato face mask helped reduce fine lines around their eyes, giving them a fresh look. These testimonials highlight the potential of potatoes as an effective skincare remedy. The excitement is palpable as more people discover the benefits of incorporating this versatile vegetable into their beauty routines. Let's get into the step-by-step potato skincare routine. Here's how to do it. Potato juice application. Grate a raw potato and extract the juice. Use a cotton ball to apply it directly to your face, focusing on areas with dark spots or fine lines. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Face mask. Mix half a grated potato with 1 tablespoon of gram flour and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply this mask for 15 minutes to brighten your skin. Under eye treatment. Slice a potato and place the slices over your eyes for 20 minutes to reduce dark circles. The science behind this? Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which brightens the skin, and catecholate, an enzyme that helps lighten pigmentation. After following this routine for several weeks, I've seen remarkable results. My skin feels smoother, and those pesky dark spots have noticeably faded. I'll share some before and after photos so you can see the transformation for yourself. The hydration from the potato juice has left my skin looking plump and youthful. Many others have reported similar results, feeling more confident in their skin after just a few applications. To sum it up, incorporating potatoes into your skincare routine can be both effective and accessible. With their natural brightening properties and ability to reduce signs of aging, potatoes are a fantastic addition to any beauty regimen. Whether you choose to use potato juice or create masks, you can achieve glowing skin without breaking the bank. I encourage you to give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Have you tried using potatoes in your skincare routine? I'd love to hear about your experiences or any questions you might have in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more natural beauty remedies.